Hey guys, it's DJ at Vapor Honey Technologies. So today I wanted to do a quick comparison between the Weekend Warrior, the 800 Base, and the 800 Fully Loaded Pro. It's going to be more of a good, better, best comparison between the three. We're going to take a look at each machine's features and benefits, so let's take a look. So here we have the Weekend Warrior. This is a great start for people just starting out with vapor hunting. You've got a control switch, a manual drain valve to get off excess water, visibility options. You've got the window rinse and the LED floodlight inside. But as you'll see, there's better options as we get further down this line. Here we have the 800 Base, and this is our better option out of these three. A quick note, this 800 Base has a window wiper, but that's not typical with these units. This was added on by a customer, so if you want to customize your machine, that could be an option for you. But typically when you just get the 800 Base, you get a window rinse and an LED light bar. So it'll still give you better visibility than with the Weekend Warrior. You've also got a control panel, and you've got an automatic drain valve, so you no longer have to manually stop and empty the excess water. It will do it for you. And here we have the standard regulator, so you can regulate your air pressure. But as you can see with our next unit, there are better options. So let's take a look. Here we have the 800 Fully Loaded Pro. And as you can see, this is a metal machine. That's what our Pro Series is. So it's a more durable machine. Some other differences we have are the precision regulator up here. So instead of the standard regulator, now you can get precise PSI. You also have an air filter for your regulator. You've got a larger control panel for all these new gadgets that are being added. This one does come with a window wiper and window rinse. So that's standard with it. Then on the back, you have an automatic drain valve versus on the side with the other machines. Also, this machine has other visibility options. This one will come with 2 light bars versus the one with the 800 Base. One final note, these plastic cabinets can be made metal with our Pro Series, so that could be an option for you. If you have any other questions, please give us a call at 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.